A large tornado formed over Verde Rio this afternoon, Friday, August 29th, causing extensive damage, but fortunately no injuries. Around 10 calls for help were received, with firefighters deployed at various locations. Several firefighting teams were dispatched from the stations of Lecco, Merate, and Valmadrera. This severe weather phenomenon severely impacted the region, particularly in the area leading to Cornate Diata. The tornado, visible from several kilometers away and captured on video by Tanya Levitt, caused extensive damage along its path, uprooting centuries-old trees and tearing off numerous roofs. After large hail fell in Brianza, a supercell formed between the provinces of Lecco and Bergamo, generating a tornado between the towns of Verde Rio and Metalego. This phenomenon manifested as a clearly visible rotating column of air that crossed the town area with very strong winds. This tornado is a rare meteorological event in the Lombardy region, but not unprecedented. The unstable weather conditions of the past few days, characterized by strong temperature fluctuations, favored the development of this extreme phenomenon. At approximately 10:45 p.m., the tornado emergency ended. In addition to firefighters, the mayor and deputy mayor, along with local police and civil protection officers, were on the scene. The impact of the tornado was significant, with fallen trees making several roads in the area impassable. Flying roofs required immediate action by firefighters to secure buildings. The road connecting Verde Rio to Cornate Diata is currently closed to traffic due to the large amount of vegetation and debris on the road. Firefighters are using specialized equipment to cut and remove fallen trees, while structural assessments of the damaged buildings are underway. Rescue operations continue uninterrupted, coordinated by operations centers in Lecco, Merate. Firefighters are operating in various terrains with ladder trucks, chainsaws, and specialized equipment to clear obstacles. Their primary tasks include removing fallen trees from roads, securing damaged roofs, assessing the stability of affected buildings, and restoring traffic flow in the most affected areas. In addition to their operations in Verde Rio, Lecco firefighters are also working in the municipality of Bolano to deal with trees downed by strong winds. The storms sweeping through Lombardy have also caused disruptions in other areas of the province. The weather forecast indicates a gradual improvement in conditions over the next few hours, although vigilance remains high for the possibility of further isolated thunderstorms. Authorities urge residents to exercise extreme caution when traveling and to immediately report any dangerous situations by calling 115. That same day, another tornado struck Versilia, sending roof tiles, sun loungers, and umbrellas flying. The regional civil protection system responded to several flooding incidents along the Tuscan coast. In several coastal areas, sun loungers and umbrellas were blown away on the night of August 28th and 29th. half-hour of rain, unprecedented in months, lashed Savoia. Strong winds caused flooding and damage along state highways. The severe weather hit the northern region of the province on Friday afternoon, August 29th. Black skies and heavy rain, accompanied by strong winds, primarily affected the Barletta, Trinitapoli, and Margherita di Savoia areas. Here, water submerged streets in the city center, even flooding shops on Corso Vittorio Emanuele. Damage to businesses in Piazza Marconi was also unclear, as local police blocked access to vehicles. Water also flooded surrounding streets, reaching knee-deep for those trying to cross. The strong winds and heavy rain also caused several trees to fall on main roads. On State Road 16 bis, between Candela Battaglia and Barletta, traffic was blocked by a fallen tree. Fear gripped Varzo yesterday afternoon due to the water bombs that caused flooding and the overflowing of the river. The most affected area was the hamlet of Ricino, upstream of the Simplon railway line, which fortunately, having avoided the disruption, was not cut off. A wave of mud and debris instead invaded Via Nevera, an area with few houses. Within minutes, the river that flows through the village, not far from the church, overflowed, and the road was flooded, making it impassable. The municipality immediately closed it. The powerful storm that hit the Dubrovnik area on Saturday morning caused a number of problems, overwhelming firefighters. The Zupa Dubrovnika Fire Department recorded a total of 8 interventions, 7 of which involved removing branches and trees from roads, and once they had to pump water. 8 firefighters and 3 vehicles participated in the operation. Six interventions were recorded during the morning and across the city. These interventions included tree felling in 4 locations, in Sipanluka, Tristeno, and on Bartola Kasica Street in Makasica. Furthermore, firefighters responded to flooding and waterlogging on Pile and Marka Marija streets. Members of the Dubrovnik Fire Department and members of the Sipan Fire Department participated in these actions. This morning, heavy rain hit the Slovenian coast, causing torrents and small rivers to overflow rapidly. Several areas are already flooded due to rain and groundwater, reported the Environment Agency. The city of Koper warned that conditions on the ground are dangerous and rapidly deteriorating. Reports a band of heavy rain continues between Istria, Slovenia, and the interior of the country. Heavy rainfall was recorded at the meteorological stations of Skacin, Nanos, and Vadis above Ajovsina.